Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Gina. Welcome to this channel called Glam Hairs, where I make videos on hairstyles, beauty, and more. And this video is about hairstyles with flowers. Yes. So, without any further delay, let's get started with the video. To begin with, I'm gonna part my hair in the middle, like so, and I'm gonna take all my hair to the back and tie it with an hair tie. I'm gonna use aloe vera so that it doesn't damage your hair. To sleek my hair, I'm gonna use this gel. Flip your hair like so and pin it properly, and place your hair donut like so and flip it back and tie the remaining hair. Push the hair into the bun like so, and then pin it properly so that it doesn't move. Pin on the sides as well. This is how the bun looks. I'm gonna push the hairpin into the flower like so, and then place it on my hair only on one side. This is one way to use the flowers in your hair. If you want to keep it simple, if you want to amp it up, then add more flowers only on one side of your bun. Look at this, it's gonna look very gorgeous. I'm gonna use these flowers around my bun. I'm gonna pin the flower pin with another bobby pin so that it stays still and doesn't move all around when you move, dance, or anything like that. This is one way to use your flowers. If you have more flowers, then you can layer it up like I'm doing in the next step. Like I've said before, I'm gonna pin the flowers with another layer on my bun. If you have more flowers, you can also fill total bun with the flowers. I love this hairstyle. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please do subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends if you felt this video helpful. Please do try it and let me know how it looks. So yeah, bye bye. See you in my next video.